My name is Carol. I am 15 and I live in BC. My dad just heard it from a friend. I don't really have the details at all. For the challenge, I had none. Looking for was just I want to participate in like a new experience. I've never done anything like this before, and in the end, like I said to myself, hey, investing, it sounds super important. It'd be good to learn it now, and it's just the more you know. So the problem is that when we're kids, say we make money from chores or we deliver newspapers or something like that, we make the money and then we go hang out with friends and buy some Starbucks. I don't see anything wrong with that, but we're living in the now, and saving, let alone investing, isn't something I think a lot of kids, they don't know that they can use the money to make more money. And I think that would probably excite a lot of kids. It's just, investing would be like, first of all, it would give you financial security. You could learn to make more money, and it's also just like you learn. It's a skill, like any other skill. You learn to be patient, and you grow out of it. I suppose my main interest is math. I really like how the concepts just connect with each other in sometimes really odd ways. And I suppose I also like reading a lot. I like the books that have a lot of mystery, not necessarily like a mystery book, but there's like not much on the character's background and such. I don't know, something about that intrigues me. I definitely enjoyed this experience. It was the new experience I was looking for, and I understand there's another challenge in June. I haven't decided whether or not I will join again, but like if I have the time, I think I will, definitely.